What up guys, YouStanceBro here. How's everybody been doing? I know I've been ghost for a little while, I'm sorry about that, but I'm back, and back with our first sponsor. Hell yeah. Sponsored by Trainhornz with a Z. They sent me a tankless train horn. So for you guys, I'm gonna open it up, check it out, and see how loud it is. It's 150 decibels. The other train horn that I had in the launcher right here was 150 decibels too. And hopefully it's as loud because there's no tank and you can pretty much fit it anywhere. So let's just get right into it and unbox it and see if it's worth it. Here it is, boys. It's a little box. There's my address if you guys want to send some stuff for me to put on cars or review it or just mess around with it. Or you just want to send me a letter and say whatever you want. But yeah, look, there's the old one. Look at the tank. The tank is as big as the box. Like, I don't even need that shit. Alright guys, let's take it inside. Let's open it up. Before we open the Trainhorn box, I wanted to take you on a little tour of my gorgeous, gorgeous shop. I'm just like all those other rich YouTubers that got hydraulic lifts, snap-on tools, beautiful parts everywhere. I just wanted to show you guys. So let's go on a little tour. Damn, look at those lifts. Damn, look at those snap-on parts. See guys, I'm just like all these other rich YouTubers. I got it all. Whatever. Anyway, look at these are all the old Hyundai parts. And all these are gonna go back on the new Elantra. Side skirts ready. Hood exhaust ready. Fallout boy ready. Got some more stuff over here. Alright guys, enough of that. Let's open the Trainhorn box for what you came for. Let's just do it. Alright guys. Damn. Not bad. Alright. Now let's look at the little compressor. Wow. So this little thing replaced the air tank and everything from the old ones. So now you can literally put this anywhere and put this one anywhere in almost any car. If you guys remember how hard it was to put these in the Hyundai, check out my other video if you guys want to watch it. So, I'm going to hook this up real quick, hook it to my battery, and see how loud it is.
That looks like a fire alarm.
Does it?
Yeah.
Wow, that was loud, huh? You ready? Whoa! Cover your ears. Whoa! That was loud.
Yeah.
Damn.
I don't want to do that.
Okay, you can go put your ears. Wow, guys, that was loud. Man, for this little thing, that was really loud. Do you want to try it?
Yeah.
Okay, here.
This is gonna be loud. Why does this be loud all the time?
Okay, you touch this one on this right there. Right there. Touch it. Whoa. Okay, Bubba, no more. We're gonna hurt our ears. Alright, guys. Wow, that's crazy. That was loud. It sounds more like a semi though than a train horn. There it was. It was pretty loud. It didn't sound as loud as it did on the phone, but in person, man, that was loud. So I'm just gonna be putting it in the Subaru. I'm probably just gonna get it. Probably just put it behind the grill. This thing will fit anywhere. It's so small. This is gonna be the easiest setup I've ever done. Alright, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, turn the bell on, because next video I'm going to be installing it on the car, and I'm going to show you guys how easy it'll be and how fast it'll be. It's just going to be a breeze. So take it easy, guys. Where's Kyle? Say bye.